Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I am gonna show you how you can use your mobile device as a webcam for your desktop. For this you can use this method is in any kind of operating system. Right now I am using Linux. Let me show you. You can see I am using Linux Lite. You can use it to Mac, for your Mac PC, for your Windows, whichever you want. If you don't have a budget for buying a webcam right now, you can use this method. For that you need a software named Webcam. Let me download it. As I am on Linux, I am gonna download it for my Linux system. You can choose for which operating system you want that. You can go for Windows, you can go for Mac. Here I am using for my Linux, that's why I am downloading this. This is a Debian package, so let me install it by dpkg. So sudo dpkg -i, then the package name Webcam. Okay, put sudo password there. This I've installed dpkg in my Webcam on my system. If I now go to my applications, if I search for I can see Webcam. For that you have to also install Webcam on your mobile device. So let me screencast my mobile device here. After that you can see the whole process. Let me start UX Play here. This will help me screencasting my mobile device. Wait just a few seconds. Now you can see the screencasting has been started. So you have to go to App Store and search for Webcam. Okay, this is the software you have to install on your mobile phone. After that, just open the software and you have to give the camera permission to this app. Now you can see my mobile device is working as my webcam for my PC. Let me just test you one more time. Let me just show you the test how you can test your webcam. For that, you can test it by going into your device's browser. Let me just show you. You have to open Google Chrome and any browser you want and go for search for webcam test. In the first website which is written here check webcam, you have to now click on start my webcam and allow the pop-up from here. You can see I have a fully functional working webcam for my device. If you like my videos, just hit the subscribe button. This will be a big help to grow my channel. So thank you guys for watching.